All right, so I have both mats set up, and I am going to choose a pattern. All right, I decided on AR-K003. Okay, same height, same width. And I have this blade at, I'm going to put it at 5, which is usually what I use. Okay, and cut and start. Oh wow, I can't believe that. This one started after, because I forgot to press start. And this one's supposed to be faster, and it started before and it finished last. Wow. All right, so let's see what the cut is like. Okay, here it is. And this is because the paper lifted from the mat. Okay, now. That one recognized it already, the SDX. And this is still doing it. Okay. I'm going to move the camera so you can see what it has recognized. Look at that mess. Wow. Look how clear that one is. Okay. Okay, so I had to turn it off for a second because this is not, because the scan is so awful. It's not cutting everything I want it to cut, even when I add a margin. So I've done a margin, same for both of them, and I'm going to click OK and hope that they both cut the same. Cut, processing, start. All right, the moment of truth. Both of them have finished. This one finished first. So I will start with this one. Push this down. You can already tell that this is not something that I am going to be happy with. I mean, come on. Why in the world would I just cut this here? Really? Why? And it cuts, what, the head? Okay, and with the little girl? Okay. And this one? All right, it did a better job than the CM350. Now for this one here, I have to figure out why it did that. Maybe you thought it was a different part. Now this is dumb, but I could have fixed that. I could have seen that and fixed it and deleted those parts before having it cut for this one. So I'm going to say that this one was successful. I could have made it, asked it to do a better cut. With the CM350 though, that was just awful. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is seeing how each machine does the foil with the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill. I am using the attachment, the adapter that has the B on it, that stands, I guess, for brother. And I am using the thinnest nib. Now in preparation, you have to make sure that the foil that you are using is taped down securely onto your cardstock or whatever you're going to foil on, and it's very taut. You also have to make sure that it's heat reactive foil. And I have saved the image that I want foiled onto my black cardstock in each machine, and what I am trying to figure out is how fast each one of them does it and how accurate the end results are. And this is the result of the CM350. I am not going to reveal the end result until I have the one from the SDX finished also. Okay, now that they both have finished, set that aside. Okay, the CM350, save that tape. Oh, look at that. That is nice. It just messed up here, here, and here. Okay. And this is the SDX. No misses at all. The CM350 missed here, here, and here. And I don't see any smudges, any broken lines, nothing at all. It's perfect.